In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a car on Facebook Marketplace. This guide is essential if you're looking to make a purchase without making costly mistakes. First, you'll need to open Facebook Marketplace, which you can access through the Facebook app or on your desktop. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top to type in the car model or brand you're interested in, or simply type cars to browse a variety of listings. To refine your search, take advantage of filters. Specify your location to find cars near you. This helps minimize travel time for inspections and potentially reduces transportation costs. Next, set your price range according to your budget. It's also beneficial to narrow your options by specifying the year, mileage, transmission type, and fuel type of the car you're seeking. Once you have potential listings, it's crucial to examine them closely. Start by looking at all the photos provided, paying special attention to the interior, exterior, engine, and odometer readings. A thorough description will offer more insight. Check if the car's registration, insurance, and maintenance are up to date. If a VIN or plate number is provided, verify it for additional assurance. Compare the price of the listing with the average market value to determine if it's reasonable. Be sure to get in touch with sellers with questions like when the last maintenance occurred and whether the official documents are clean and in their name. It's important to dive into these details to avoid hidden issues later. When you're ready to inspect the car, arrange to meet the seller in a safe public location, such as a mall parking lot or outside a police station. Daylight inspections are preferable as they allow for better visibility of potential issues. If possible, bring along a friend who knows cars or a mechanic to help inspect the engine, brakes, transmission, and to check for odometer tampering and any signs of accident or flood damage. Paperwork is crucial. Ensure official receipts and registration match the seller's name. For secondhand purchases, verify the deed of sale and check if taxes and fees are current. Make sure the vehicle doesn't have any open cases, unpaid loans, or encumbrances. Negotiate the price based on your inspection findings. For payment, it's safer to use a bank transfer and meet at a bank for large transactions to ensure security. Never pay without seeing the vehicle first and confirming all legal documents. To finalize the sale, both parties need to sign a deed of sale with at least 2 or 3 copies made and notarized. Before concluding, secure all keys, any spare tires, tools, and receipts. Always be cautious with deals that seem too good to be true. Avoid sending deposits to strangers and prefer sellers with long-standing clear profiles. Following these steps will help you confidently buy a car on Facebook Marketplace, ensuring you make a secure and informed purchase.